Hey Sizzle and Spice friends, welcome back. Let me show you how we bring bold flavors into this roast duck. Let's get started. Vegetables or green seasoning. Finish washed. Put these in the little chopper here to give them a chop. We're adding rosemary, cilantro, some of my favorite herbs, scallion, thyme, garlic, onion, ginger, pimento greens, and we're going to bring this to a chop. A teaspoon of this Iberia adobo, okay? It's a teaspoon, added chicken seasoning, paprika. Still using a teaspoon. Oops, that gave me about a tablespoon. I'm going to use a little garlic powder, onion powder, a teaspoon of soy sauce, and some jerk seasoning. Put about a tablespoon in it, guys. And I'm going to combine it. Into my seasoning. Okay guys, now we're going to move on to do the duck. It's been soaking in some lemon juice in the water, and I'm going to add some vinegar here. Then I'm going to give it a thorough wash, making sure that there's no, fine feathers or anything that's not supposed to be on there. Give it a proper wash. Then I'm going to give it a proper drying, make sure it's nice and dry. And then I start my seasoning process. We're going to put some cord into the breast area, just under the skin, not trying to cut into the meat. So we're going to core it diagonally, just so we can get beneath the layers of fat and let the aromatics seep through. Want to rub that aromatics right in on the inside and all around into the neck area, getting it all under the skin. Here we are. It's finished. I cover it up and put it in the refrigerator and let it sit and marinate. I let mine marinate for about 4 hours. You can do 2 or overnight. I went ahead and put it in the oven off camera, so this is the first time I'm checking it. So now I'm going to get ready to give it a turn. Turned on the other side. At this point, it is very hot. So we flip it. When I put it in the oven, I put it breast down so all the juices and the fat can cook right back into it and fall into the breast. I turn it around and I put it back in the oven. After about an hour, I took it out and I decided to baste it. Now we're mixing some kikkoman soy sauce with some honey. I don't want it to be too much like I'm doing a barbecue, just a nice light glaze. And when you do yours, you can make it to your liking if you want it to be more. So here it is. It's finished, guys. I went ahead and I made a sauce. You can have yours dry or you can have it with a sauce. So I build my sauce. You can use a chili sauce. I use a chili sauce on mine, and I put some bell peppers in it because I just love using the bell peppers. The smell, the flavor, the taste is just really delicious. I had mine with some rice and peas. Guys, let me know what you would have yours with. And oh baby, the flavor does not lie. Let me know where you're watching from. And thank you for watching. I'll catch you in my upcoming videos. Yeah, man. Bye.